Many people think of bay leaf as just a spice for flavor, but did you know it's actually packed with health benefits? Bay leaves have been used for centuries by the ancient Greeks and Romans for wellness. Let's dive into what's really inside this amazing leaf and how it can benefit your well-being. Let's start with the antioxidants, quercetin and rutin. These compounds help protect our cells from damage, slowing down aging, improving blood circulation, and strengthening blood vessels. It's great for your heart and keeps your circulatory system healthy. Next are the essential oils like eugenol. Eugenol has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective against certain pathogens, including candida. Plus, it supports immune health and even helps fight off colds. Bay leaves are also rich in polyphenols, which stabilize blood sugar and boost metabolism, important for anyone looking to manage weight and energy levels. And don't forget the minerals. Bay leaf contains magnesium and potassium, which support the nervous system, promote better sleep, and help reduce stress. So how can you add bay leaf to your daily routine? Try cooking with it. Add a leaf or two to soups or stews for both flavor and health benefits. You can also make bay leaf tea. Just steep 1 or 2 leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. Finally, bay leaf steam inhalations are a great natural remedy for colds.